Visiting Seattle and looking for a special sweet treat? Pop on over to Beacon Hill and head into Flora Bakehouse. Here, the name matches both the food and the decor, with all kinds of flowers grown right on the rooftop and an interior that feels like springtime in the Northwest.
It's very homey, and like people here are very friendly. Sometimes, people connect through tables. Like, it is just a very welcoming space.
It feels very airy and feminine.
Just the aesthetic inside is so beautiful.
I just love it here.
For us, really, it's about creating that moment of joy in your day.
Owner Nat Stratton-Clark wants the bakehouse to bring customers a special breath of fresh air. From the coffee to the pastries to the setting, everything about Flora feels comfortable and homey.
It's to get that moment where you can leave your house and come to a beautiful space, get a delicious pastry that just brightens your day, have a gorgeous coffee, and then sit on our roof deck, look at Mount Rainier. I mean, you really can't ask for more than that.
You get to watch the process.
As I walked by, I could see everybody cooking. I thought it was really cool while standing in line.
I feel like it's really lovely to watch that happening, and it's usually like right in the window right there.
I think so often kitchens are tucked in the back of a bakery. You never see the person that's actually making the food you're eating. These people are artisans, they're craftspeople. It's so fun to see these kids kind of plastered up against the window, watching, right? Or just watching the magic. Just take butter and flour and turn it into a chocolate croissant. Again, as an adult, I think it's magic.
Don't miss later in the show when Baker Leslie and I make Flora's Danish with fresh berries and flowers.
How can you go wrong with something that's basically like this beautiful bowl of fruit with this crunchy pastry, with that custard in there?